everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, I did this orange cut crease. So I was looking on Pinterest for makeup ideas, and I came across a look that was like this. I clicked on the link because anytime I look on Pinterest, I want to try to find the link so I can post it in the description box so you guys can go find it too. But it was actually a YouTube video link. So I found her YouTube channel. Her name is An Knook, and I think that's how you say it. I'll link her video. I'll link her video up here, and I'll also link her video and YouTube channel in the description box if you guys want to go check her out. Of course, hers looks way prettier, and she did her look based off of a look Jaclyn Hill did when she did a photo shoot with Morphe with a palette she created with Morphe, and I think it was so pretty. I think it's so cool. I never would have paired this orange and purple together, but I think it looks really, really good. Now, I know my eyeliner's a little uneven, but we're gonna look past that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So to get started, I'm gonna prime my eyelids. I have the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. So what she does is, it's purple. It's purple in the crease, but it's a little bit pinker up top because you want it to fade out. So I'm gonna go into the Profusion Wanderlust palette, into Go Girl here, this color here. And I'm gonna put it like the top of the crease and up a little bit, just so that purple has something to fade into. And for my purple, I'm gonna go into this purple here called Regal, and it's gonna be outer corner into the crease color. And to darken up the outer corner of this purple, I'm gonna go into this bite-sized palette from E.L.F. This is the Rose Water palette, and I'm gonna go into this color here because it's not a black, it's just like a dark, almost like a dark, I don't know, it's not black though. A light black, can we say that? And I just want to darken this up a little bit. I was gonna put black there, but I didn't want to make it too dark. For the cut crease, I'm going to use this 16-hour Camo Concealer from E.L.F. because when I bought it, it was way too light, so I just used it as my cut crease concealer. Then you want to pat out the edges so it's easier to blend, because you want the sharp edge to be at the top, not at the end. I can't ever get them to match. They are not the same. But we're going to make do with what we got here. Okay, and then for the orange, I'm going to go into the Revolution palette. This was their Halloween. I'm trying not to open my eyes too wide because then it's just going to crease up there. I already did it over here. I tried to pat it out. I'm going to go into the Revolution Nightmare Before Christmas palette, and I'm going to go into this orange over here, and it's called Pumpkin King. I'm using my finger right here, but around the edges I'm probably going to use a brush. I don't want to blend that orange into the purple. I was worried this wouldn't be bright enough. Looks good. Ooh, I like it. It looks cool. So to blend this orange back into the outer corner, I'm going to go back in with this Go Girl pink here and put it on this orange just to blend it out some. And we'll blend it into purple. And then I'm going to go into the Regal purple here and just fix all this back up. Back into the E.L.F. Bite Size palette to darken up that outer corner. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use the E.L.F. H2O liner. She did a wing. I haven't done a wing with this eyeliner yet, so we'll see how this goes. I think they're pointing in different directions, but you get the idea. I have a really hard time doing a wing when I'm not like in my normal everyday mirror. I think it's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation stuff and I'll be right back. So for my eyebrows, I use the E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. For my foundation, for my primer, I use the E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. I love this. I'm almost out of this one. I really love the matte one, so I'm just trying to use up the Poreless one. For my foundation, I use the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Foundation. Love, love, love. For my powder, like always, I use the Coty Airspun powder. For blush, I use the AOA Studios Perfect Blush. I like this one a lot. I use the Kokie Soft Glow highlighter. Very pretty. So go back into my eyes. I'm gonna take that orange. Where is it? So go back into my eyes. I'm gonna take the orange and then put it right here. And then out of this little E.L.F. palette, the Bite Size palette, I'm gonna go back into that dark color there and put it along this way, this side. Then I'm gonna go back into the Profusion palette, into the purple, the Regal, and then put it right over top of that dark color there, just so we have a dark purple. I'm gonna go into the E.L.F. Active Workout Liner for my bottom waterline. Oh, I think this looks so good. I'm gonna go back into the Wanderlust palette, into this frosting color here. I'm gonna put it right here under my brows. And then with my finger, just so I can throw it here in the corner. I love how this turned out. I didn't think it was gonna look as good as hers, but I think it looks pretty good. And for my mascara, I'm using two different ones. I'm using the Essence Volume Stylist and then the Essence Get Big Lashes. So I'm gonna use this purple one first, and I'll go over with the Get Big Lashes. Because the Get Big Lashes, I don't think it works well by itself, but it works really, really good on top of other mascaras. And then for lips, I'm using this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So the video, Anne's video, didn't actually show her lips at all, it just showed her eyes. So it never, I guess I didn't read the description box, so it didn't show what kind of color she used. And I don't know how to pair lipsticks with eye looks. So I looked at Jaclyn Hill's actual picture, and it was kind of like a pink nude. It looks almost like this color, but when you put this on, it's way pinker, so this is about as close as I can get. These lip creams feel so good. They just feel really creamy. Not sticky, tacky, and I think that's it. I think it turned out really good. I'll link her video and I'll link her YouTube channel in the description box so you guys go check out her video also. Because of course hers looks way, way better. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun doing this. I think the orange looks so cool with the purple. I never would have paired them together, but I think it looks really, really cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!